In this video, I am going to reveal the best affiliate marketing coach and course program for 2023. And don't worry, it's not going to cost you $2,500 like some of those other priced courses that you see on the market. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn about the best affiliate marketing coaching and course program of 2023, how much it costs, and how you can get started. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. And guys, don't forget, if you want to be a part of the $500 giveaway, be sure that you are commenting not only on this video, on all my other social media platforms. You have from now until December 20th to make comments. Every comment that you make will go into the bucket. When I pull out the 5 names, 5 people will win $100, and I will send them PayPal cash. I'll send you $100. Don't forget to make sure that you're commenting on YouTube here, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram. People are commenting over on Twitter as well. If you are interested in winning that $100, make sure that you comment early, you comment often. The more comments, the more chances you have to win. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I am going to reveal the best coaching program that you can find for the best price and that will actually help you make money online. Right now, we are facing a huge problem in the marketplace. We are seeing courses that are priced at $2,500 and they're not getting the help and support that they need. I see it all the time in different Facebook groups that they've enrolled in these high ticket programs. And then when they actually have questions, they need help, there's no one there to support them. So what I did is actually found a coaching and course program that does everything that you need to help you get up and running. Let's go ahead and talk about it. So this coaching and course program is called House of Affiliates. And believe it or not, it's actually my course and coaching program. So if we take a look at the screen here, this is everything that is included in this program. All right, so the first thing that we've included is called the 0 to 1K affiliate marketing workbook. All right, with this workbook, you are going to learn how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. After that, we have something called the Commission Maximizer. I'm going to talk about the price in just a moment. The Commission Maximizer takes that 0 to 1K training and we step it up a notch, and we actually will help you make more money with email marketing. We walk you through that process step by step. And in addition, we have the 60-second business blueprint. Now, with this 60-second business blueprint, you can take this blueprint, a step-by-step course of action, worksheet, workbook, whatever you want to call it, and you can use it to get leads and sales using YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, any short format video. All right, if we keep going here, we've got done for you social media planners so that you can actually schedule everything out. You can plan it in advance. We also have planners, trackers, and workbooks. So if we just take a look at this, the planners, trackers, and workbooks, we talk about the affiliate marketing funnel, the customer avatar, financial planner, monthly expense tracker, all designed to help you build a successful affiliate marketing business. A lot of the other courses out there don't go into this depth and they don't offer this level of assistance. But wait, there's more. We have a content creator bundle. Again, this is designed to help you to fast track your success. This is a shortcut to help you get up and running. A social media planner, another social media planner. We've got Pinterest pin templates, ebook templates. So if you have a lead magnet that you want to create and give away, we have Instagram posts, we have YouTube end screen, so YouTube banners and thumbnails. All of this stuff will be available instantly when you enroll in the course. I'm sure you're wondering how much this will cost, and we'll get to it in just a moment. We also have a mindset bundle. One of the hardest things to do when it comes to making money online isn't actually going out and doing the work. It's believing that the work that you will do will lead to you making money. It is by far the hardest thing because right now we've been conditioned that the only way we can make money is that we go work for somebody else and they cut us a check. Take a look at this mindset bundle that will help you with your focus and your shift. After that, we offer new training every single month that you'll have access to. We will offer new workbooks, planners, or templates every single month as well. We have in addition to everything that I've just covered, and again, I'm going to get to the price in just a moment, In addition, we have 2 coaching calls every single month where I answer your questions. Right now, they're going to be on the first and third Saturday of every single month. And again, this is designed to help you build your online business. This is completely different. No one else is doing this in the marketplace. People are just taking your money and saying good luck, or they're charging $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, and they're not offering half of that. In addition to everything that you see on the screen, we have a House of Affiliates private Facebook group where you can ask questions and I will answer them within 24 hours. Any questions that you have about your business, we will answer them. I also have what I'm calling a suggestion box. Basically, if there are planners and templates and all of this stuff that you are interested in and you don't see it here, you can request it and I can add it. So I'm sure you're wondering, all of this stuff, all of this value, this has to cost $1,500. It has to cost $2,000. And if I sold this stuff individually, for example, I am currently selling the 2-day affiliate marketing blueprint. I am making about $75 average cart value just by selling this alone. I also am making very good money selling this business blueprint, but I want affiliate marketing to be for everybody, not just the exclusive 5% that already have money. Right now, the House of Affiliates course and membership site is just $7. So if we scroll all the way up to the top here, the second link in the description will take you to House of Affiliates. You can see people are charging anywhere between $497 and $2,500 for everything. I am charging $7 a month. Cancel anytime, you're not locked in. You can see here, you can get started $7 per month, and this is the sales page. So if you click the second link in the description, you'll see my results of me implementing everything that I've communicated to you. You'll actually see exactly everything that you get access to. As you can see here, we have bite-sized modules to help you get up and running, all the worksheets, templates, planners that you need to get up and running, an ever-growing list of resources, House of Affiliates private Facebook group where I can actually answer your questions, 2 live coaching calls every single month, question and answer, new templates, planners, and tools every single month, and new training. If you look, this is basically what you're going to get, or at least part of what you get. Direct access to mindset bundle, content creator bundle, everything that you need. Here's some examples of people that have had success using my coaching and training, but I wanted this to be affordable for everybody. Why charge someone a high ticket course that is looking to get out of the rat race? The people that are just beginning, they need assistance, they need help getting up and running. Why charge them, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 when I can make this a monthly $7? Anybody can join. Make this incredibly affordable. All right. So if this is something that you're interested in, you want to get started with affiliate marketing, you're looking for a course, you're looking for a program that's going to give you the assistance that you need, go ahead and click the second link in the description, get access to it, and get to work. This 0 to 1K affiliate marketing training is worth more than $7 by itself. Okay. You'll get instant access to all of this and you will not be disappointed. And if you have questions, you need help, you need support, you can ask in the Inner Circle Facebook group, private Facebook group. You can't find it on Facebook if you searched for it because it is not listed. But again, people are telling you right now to go spam your affiliate links, go spray and pray. They're charging you over $1,000 for the content that I'm giving away, that I'm selling to you for just $7 per month. And once again, cancel anytime. Other cool thing that I want to show you real quick, this is a beautiful back office membership site, and you'll have direct access to the Facebook group. And if you have questions, you can hop over there as well. So that's what I wanted to show you guys today. I'm really excited about this. I just launched it earlier this week, I think Tuesday, and I'm having a lot of positive reviews and comments. Now, this isn't going to lead to a $2,500 upcharge or upsell. The $7 per month is all you need to get started. And I recommend that you get started today. If you are serious about your affiliate marketing business, don't wait until next week. Don't wait until next month. Don't wait until January, new year, new you. Get started today so that by the time January comes, you can be in a very good position to be successful with affiliate marketing. All right, guys, that's all I had for you today. I'm excited for this. I'm excited for you at this opportunity that nobody else in the marketplace is doing. They're charging you 10 times at least what I'm giving to you for just $7 a month. Guys, watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you grow your online business.